Alright, so a couple of you wanted to hear this box that sounded like the Geobox. So I made the modification to take out some of the, cleaned up audio and just make it sound just like the Geobox. So here's a demo of the box. And let me go ahead and turn on the audio. So right now the box is running. And you could adjust the suite. Anyway, so that's the sound of the box. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm going to do another demo using this box and another box side by side. I'm just going to turn them on. Again, yesterday we had two boxes communicating with each other. It's pretty interesting. So there's basically it's called direct line communication, or direct voice response mode. If you turn these boxes in that mode, it will kind of open up a frequency, and you'll hear no scanning, no nothing, just voices coming through. It's pretty interesting. Sometimes it takes a couple of minutes for the voice to come through, sometimes less than a few seconds. But then sometimes one box will go silent for several minutes while the other one's talking, and then vice versa. The other one will start talking like crazy, and then the other one will go silent. So, and they're both scanning the radio frequencies. So it's not, that kind of proves that it's not radio coming through, but it's pretty interesting. So just look out for that video soon. I'm going to post this video up so the couple of people that were asking can see the demo of this box. Anyway, all right, if you have any questions, feel free to ask.